Hello, today we will demonstrate how to install the Zabbix server, configure it, and check the host's performance. In this section, we will create a file in the root server that will allow our given bash script to run and install all necessary Zabbix files. Take notice, before we install the file script, we must ensure that we provide permission to the file using the mod+x command. To start the script, type ppua.ch after ensuring that the file has been granted permission with the ls-vel command. The installing process will take a while, so just wait patiently before it finishes. In this package configuration, you would just have to fill in all the services and press OK to continue installing. Next, just insert the password with your root server's password. Once the Zabbix files have been installed successfully, open your web browser and enter the IP address of your server, including Zabbix. Before gaining access, you would then need to configure your Zabbix server settings and database connection. Once logged in, we would next have to configure a new host to monitor its performance as well. To build a host, give it a unique name, choose a template, add host groups, and add an agent to include the IP address and port. Remember that we must verify the status of our Zabbix agent to ensure that it is operational. Now we want to configure our server's IP addresses and confirm that the host names are precisely the same as in the Zabbix web browser. To ensure proper connectivity, it is crucial to restart the Zabbix server after configuring the host. After adding the host, it will take a few minutes for the host's availability to change green, indicating that it is already activated. Now we can see that our host has been activated. Now we can view the host's performance such as CPU, RAM, storage, and more. That's the entire tutorial on how to install the Zabbix server, configure it, and check the host's performance. Thank you for watching.